I've been working this crazy shift, and I ain't made.
Me too.
I wish I could buy me a spaceship and fly.
I swear I do. GLC feel you, I feel you, man.
Oh, I've been working this grave shift, and I ain't made. I wish I could buy me a spaceship and fly past the sky. Man. If my manager insults me again, I will be assaulting him. After I f the manager up, then I'm gonna shorten the register up. Let's go back to the Gap. Look at my check, wasn't no scratch. So if I stole, wasn't my fault. Yeah, I stole, never got caught. They take me to the back and pat me, asking me about some khakis. But let some black people walk in, I bet you they show off they token blackie. Oh, now they love Kanye, let's put